Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reboot OPPO Reno 14FS. Alright, so let's begin. Maybe I will tell you before that why actually rebooting your device is good. Let's begin with that during that process our RAM gets freed up, and thanks to that it can help with some problems. For example, when the phone is lagging, when the screen gets frozen, it's always good to perform a reboot. And so it can help simply with the performance of our device. During my day-to-day use of this OPPO, it helped me a few times. Actually, it helped me always when it gets lagged. It's always worth rebooting it. It always helped me when it comes to that. Alright, so how to do it? First, we need to open up the power menu. We do it by clicking the power button and volume up, just like that. And now all we need to do is to simply drag this white ball into the restart, and now simply release your finger. Now we need to wait a few seconds until the device turns off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on. Also, I'm always testing those things before sharing with you, so you don't need to worry. It works every time. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.